Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. For that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with a button. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons together for short and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together. And you're having a screenshot. If you tap here, by the way, on the preview, you're able now to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop also part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. After you can share this edited part here, or with the checkbox, you can send it to your gallery. There's another way to take a screenshot, and for that we will need the control center. You will find it if you scroll down right next to the camera. Then you will have here the icon with a scissor in it. That's also a way to have a screenshot. Pretty nice. But the best way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So just take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. Pretty cool, huh? One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find your screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And here at the photos, they are mixed up with the camera pictures and so on. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.